Welcome to English Side Chat.
Hi, everyone. My name is Mia, and today I'd like to talk about the pressure to always be productive. In modern life, many people feel that they must always be doing something useful. We wake up in the morning, check our phones, answer messages, and think about everything we need to finish during the day. Sometimes, even when we are resting, we feel guilty because we think we should be working or learning something. My day begins at 6:30 in the morning. As soon as my alarm rings, I look at my phone. I see emails, messages, news updates, and reminders about things I need to do. Before I even get out of bed, my mind is already busy. After breakfast, I start thinking about my work. I make a list of tasks and tell myself I need to finish everything today. But sometimes the list becomes longer and longer. One task leads to another, and suddenly it is already evening. At the end of the day, I may have completed many things, but I still feel that I did not do enough. This is something many people experience. We often compare our lives with others on social media. We see people studying, working, traveling, exercising, or starting new businesses. It can make us feel that everyone else is moving forward while we are standing still. But the truth is, nobody can be productive all the time. Our minds and bodies also need rest. Taking a break does not mean that we are lazy. Sometimes a short walk, a quiet cup of tea, or a few minutes without our phones can help us feel better. I have learned that being productive is not about doing everything. It is about doing the things that truly matter. Now, when I feel overwhelmed, I stop for a moment and take a deep breath. I choose one important task and focus only on that. I remind myself that I do not have to finish everything today. Life is not a race. We all have busy days, slow days, successful days, and difficult days. The important thing is to keep moving forward at our own pace. So, if you ever feel that you are not doing enough, remember this: you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to slow down. And sometimes, doing less can help you live a better and more peaceful life. Thank you for listening.